Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on single finger zoom on the marine traffic application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you just click to the icon at the upper left corner of the screen, and in the accessibility section you can find the last button, the single finger zoom. Double tap on the map and hold the move down for zoom in or up for zoom out. Actually I use that, but if you want to turn off, click to the next white circle, and if it will be turned be dark gray, this function will be disabled. If you want to turn on, click that again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.